My goal is to help the coffee smallholder farmers. They are roughly around 25 million and they're spread out across the globe. Now, the vast majority of these coffee farmers, these families, live below the living income benchmark. They're trapped in poverty by extreme price volatility and opaque supply chains. So, I want to provide the technological infrastructure needed to ensure the financial dignity for every coffee farmer. So my goal is to build, in fact, I'm building it right now, to build a single unified platform, um, multi-stakeholder blockchain platform that delivers end-to-end irrefutable traceability from seed all the way to port or all the way to your home. So this is across 70 plus coffee producing countries. So my platform is designed not just for tracking, but for direct economic impact. For example, we ensure price transparency. We provide farmers with digital proof of their coffee's quality and journey, empowering them to negotiate better prices. We also provide verifiable quality, immutably proving environmental and labor practices to justify premium payments. We will also provide direct incentives, creating a reliable digital ledger for distributing sustainability premiums and grants directly to the farmers who earn them. So for now, we are reaching out to possible consortium contributors. This could be pioneering organizations, impact investors, NGOs, foundations, coffee companies, coffee roasters, and any other groups within the coffee industry. So, in the coming days, I'll give you updates on which country am I targeting or focusing on. But like I said, this is a global approach, so there's no bias and there's no favoritism. We just have to solve each and every country. Okay, so more updates for tomorrow.